Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have some huge news. As you can see behind me, the garage is actually up. It's built now. We've got the cement starting to be laid. We've got the pad out here in front of the garage is done. The driveway in the front is starting to get formed out, and the rest of the forms for the driveway from back here behind the house all the way up to the front is starting to happen. This project's finally starting to come along, and it's exciting. Hopefully we're going to be able to move in here within the next month or so, get the cars in there, get the lifts in there. The electrician's out today doing some electrical work, putting in the different lines that we need for the lifts and for our compressor and for all the other things that we're going to need in the garage. So it's super exciting. Our corral of vehicles is going to have its stable here soon, and we're awful excited about it. So let's check out from the last time when it was just a slab being poured to now. Check out the progress that's been made.
Here you can see the rebarb and you can see the wood for the forms as they get ready to start pouring the cement into the slab. And here we go, Chris and his team getting all that cement poured and starting to get our pad all shaped up and ready for the garage structure to be built on it. This is when Chris started removing some of the forms, and as everything dried out, making sure things were correct. And as you can see, we've got a lot of grading to do around the garage structure in order to bring the land up to where the garage is so that he can form the driveway and also our turnaround pad. As Humblebee Homes LLC finishes tearing apart the wood around the structure, they're going to start bringing in some fill and basically start dumping more and more and more to get this up to where it needs to be. And it was a lot of fill, and it took them a while, but eventually it started to come up and look pretty good. Things were looking great until the rains came. And then, well, now you can see for yourselves. And as you can see, the rain really took its toll, as this was all nice and level and flattened out, and the rain really just took away the majority of the fill that was there and washed it away. So unfortunately, we had to bring in even more truckloads of fill to start to get this high enough to where it was level again with the garage and created our nice pad for us to be able to turn our cars around. And as you can see, after a couple weeks of lots more fill, Chris and his team got everything leveled back out again, got it packed in properly, and we were ready for NC Carports and Garages to deliver our new garage and set it up. It was amazing watching NC Carports and Garages do the install of our garage. It took them about 3 days to go from nothing to fully built and ready to go, and as you can see, the place looks amazing. The quality of the structure, the building, the way it looks, the way the finished product looks, I'm extremely happy. I would definitely recommend NC Building and Carports to anybody. They were fantastic. We originally designed the building with Boss Buildings, and that was their supplier here in North Carolina. And as you can see, it just came together wonderful. Here's the pad outside of the bay doors that Chris and his team got completed. These came out great as well. And now that that is all completed, he's put the forms for the rest of the driveway, and soon we will have that poured as well.
So as you can see, we've gotten a lot done since the last time that we posted. It's been a journey. Chris from Humblebee Homes has been awesome to work with. if you are in the Wilmington, Hampstead, Sneads Ferry, Jacksonville area and you need a general contractor, please reach out to him. He's been really easy and good to work with, and definitely love supporting veteran-owned businesses. It's nice with my dad being a veteran and our family being so tied to the military. It's nice to support veteran-owned businesses, and he's definitely one of them. So we'll look forward to coming at you with the next one. Hopefully the next video is going to be us actually moving into the barn back here and getting our horses in the stable. So thank you guys so much. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, follow us along, check out all of our content, our shorts. I love making this stuff for you guys. I hope it's helpful. I hope it's insightful. And we're excited to share this journey with you. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the road.